All I gotta say is thank God for that snowblower, because let me tell you, that was quite a job. But that snowblower did it. This is the new and improved driveway. We are in the house. We can now pull out of the driveway and all that happy horse stuff. If you want to take a look at me, here I am. This is what it looked like after working and clearing the driveway. I don't even know how fun. We crossed this driveway in the snowstorm 2014. And here's the finished product once again, coming out of the driveway. Your hands will freeze in a matter of seconds. Look at how high those banks are. Alright. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. Let's go ahead and open this garage. Oh man. Put the shovel away. The magic question is, will the garage shut now? Probably not. Let's try. Alright. Seems like it's shutting. Thank God. What a day. Alright. Good stuff.